South Korea, now where at least 37 people are known to have died as a result of flooding rescue efforts, continue to reach people trapped in their cars in an underground tunnel which was inundated following a nearby river bursting its banks. The workers, including divers, have spent the last 24 hours searching the underpass, which is half a kilometer long in the town of Changzhou in the central Chungcheong region. Let us cross live. Now to the capital Seoul, and we're going to speak to our correspondent Gina Ku, who is there for us, and you know you've been following this story. Where are we with those efforts? Are they continuing? Yes, ResQF4S are continuing. The 3 days of continuous downpours in the central and southeastern parts of the country have led to considerable loss of human life.